The sun is 150 million kilometers away. Writing all those zeros is tiring. Today we learn a smart shortcut called standard form, plus how to round numbers properly. Standard form means writing a number as a times 10 to the power n. The number a must be between 1 and 10, and n is a whole number, positive or negative. For big numbers, move the decimal point left until one digit remains before it. Count the hops, that becomes your positive power. So 4500 becomes 4.5 times 10 to the 3. For tiny numbers, move the decimal point right until one digit sits before it. The power becomes negative. So 0.0072 becomes 7.2 times 10 to the negative 3. Worked example 1. Express 67200 in standard form. First, place the decimal between the 6 and the 7, so a equals 6.72. Now count the hops the decimal made. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 6.72 times 10 to the 4. We box it in green. Worked example 2. Write 0.000845 in standard form. Move the decimal right until just after the 8, giving a equals 8.45. The decimal moved 4 places right, so the power is negative 4. Answer: 8.45 times 10 to the minus 4. Notice it has 3 significant figures. Common mistake: many students write 45 times 10 to the 3. This is wrong because a must be less than 10. Always check, is your a between 1 and 10? Remember, big numbers get a plus power. Tiny numbers get a minus power. Say it with me: big plus, tiny minus. That phrase will save you marks in your GCE exam. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to continue your learning journey.